before he gets in there. Good evening, 122 Maine.
Hey, good evening, K-Bar. Hey, K-Bar, sounding good out of Maryland. That old bird cage is working well for you. Absolutely is. Hey, K-Bar, bringing them back. We got you.
I heard you in there shouting at old dirty bird. Yeah, we get back and forth.
Top 5 New York, must be directly at New York, 71360.
Right back at you. Right back at you, K-Bar. Absolutely always good hearing you rolling on through. K-Bar, take care. 122 Maine back out.
Always at DA. Next to 777 right here. 22. I'm going to try to get to you, man. I got 210. Coming down there. I'm on a different radio. Double trouble. I got it all, man. Radio clean up, radio clean up, radio clean up, radio clean up. Dirty Bear bringing it. Radio clean up in Georgia. Back out. I heard somebody coming back here in Virginia. Try it again. I hear you, but somebody know who it is in the background now. Ain't no sense in that job. How you know? If I can get it back, I go to say 122. Old pound puppy down here ducking around on a different radio.
It's rough and tough, but hey, Pound Puppy, you said you're on a different radio. Absolutely, we got that. It's rough and tough up here on this sound, but hey, Pound Puppy, 122, we're trying to get it back.
About 2 hours ago, got that radio, man, but, hello to you again, Mr. All right, so, well, you came up over there, I guess I'll have to say hello. Go home. 5-0 down here around Virginia. Flush hamburger. Shit, see you later. All right, big buddy, I'm out the way reading the map. Take care out there, 5-0. Get back on the plane. Man, I heard somebody in there say you sounded good, Pound Puppy. It got a little rough in there that time. Got a little crowded up in Morris. Smarty Jones. Down here. And get out the way. Old Pound Puppy down here ducking around on 200 watts. This is back out.
Sounding real good. That go around all by yourself, Pound Puppy. Absolutely are. Hey, Pound Puppy, 122 in and out, letting you know.
You better get mine. 713 in Virginia. Must be just Mother Nature and all that. And I heard 122 popping there again, man. I'm trying to wave at you, buddy. I ain't got a whole lot going through the wires. I don't know if I'm getting through there or not, man. It's hard to... Rojo, I got you that time. 182 in Maine, got you in Virginia. Back to that. There's your DX land. How about that DX land? Double R 45 on Bluegrass State, Kentucky, where the women are beautiful. And the horses are fast. The bourbon's great. Makes it move. We have people in here for 713. DX land away. Bye-bye. Big Nasty and the Cackawackies, Bruce.
It's for streams.